Hello everyone, welcome back to my little series on what's in the bag. I'll be honest with you, I can't believe how much stuff I got stuffed in this bag. Alright, so for today I have this little nylon pouch. I did not make this, but in here I have a ferro rod. I have my homemade striker. I have this High Tools, which I use. This could be used as a striker. It has a great 90-degree edge on it, but I use this mostly for kindling. It holds a very, very sharp edge, so it's also another cutting blade, but it's great for getting kindling ready. I have a little chunk of magnesium. I have another ferro rod, right? 2 is 1, 1 is none. This little cheapo scraper has a little blade on the end with a piece of jute tied to it. That came with this little tiny ferro rod. Got that thrown in there just for heck. Here I have some pine pitch glue that I made. I'll put a link in how to make this. Never know when you need to glue something up. In here I have some chalk cloth. And in here I have a bunch of pieces of fat wood. So that's what's in here. And that's not all of my fire starting stuff. That's just pretty much the ferro rod kind of stuff. Then I have another one of my drawstring pouches. And this is chock full of fat wood. All different sizes. And this stuff could be scraped, could be burned, whatever you want. Just tons of it. This whole bag is full of it. And that's the fat wood. And then in here, I just have some regular pine. This way I know I'm going to have some, some dry kindling to get the fire going. Fat wood is a precious resource. You wouldn't want to, I wouldn't want to use this entire bag of fat wood to get a fire going. So that's why I have this one pretty much stuffed with this regular pine that I know is nice and dry to get a fire going. If I can get that back in there, I got them stuffed in like a puzzle. I could do that later. But so this contents right here is pretty much sums up what I have in the first pouch of the backpack or rucksack or whatever you want to call it. So that's like the main compartment. So now I'm going to move on the next video. I'll move into the front one, and then after that we'll get to the side. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you're enjoying these. If you have any ideas or suggestions, definitely leave me a comment, and appreciate the views. So we'll catch you on the next one.